for? Top priority?
Our top priority, quite frankly, is moving our customers, our agencies, from a siloed approach to security and trust to a unified strategy or deployment. And what I mean by that is, just as, you were just talking about hiring and bringing on chief data officers, quite frankly, to figure out exactly what data is in an organization. That is a very large silo within every organization. So if you think about it, we have users with their own set of permissions and priorities and objectives. You have nodes that they use, or devices, small, central edge devices. And then you have the data, and then you have applications. And today, each one of those represents a different silo in an organization. And we can go even more granular than that. So there's access management in each one of those. Sometimes we do privilege management or privilege sessions in each one of those, for instance. So, and then you have to do governance. And if all those things are siloed, that is, if you have one governance and access and authorization mechanism for your data and a separate one for your users, and yet another one for applications to get access to a firewall, for instance, or to move across segments in the network, then that type of siloed architecture makes it almost near to impossible to really do zero trust the way it's been envisioned. So our goal as an organization really is to move our customers from that siloed approach to a more unified approach, where it is more about the policy around you, not just as Bo was saying around RBAC, it is now really around policy. Who are you? Where are you in the organization? What do you do, for instance? And then also think about identity attributes that make us unique, for instance. So I love my iPhone. I also have an Android phone, but iPhone gives me really good facial recognition, for instance. So it doesn't remove the password. It obfuscates the password, for instance, with another identity mechanism. Same thing with biometrics. But you can only do those things once you unify those silos within an organization and bring all that credentialing, so to speak, all that authorization activity into a central model, for instance, so you can actually literally now look down at your kingdom, so to speak, and try to understand exactly where data is flowing, where applications are moving and how applications are moving data, and how users are executing on a mission, for instance. But you can only get there once you have a unified strategy where identity is central to that and critical to that, and actually make the mission work for all your organizations internally.